Oh, wow. The room is so tidy now. Huh? Oy, sus, Ninyo. Ate just cleaned up. Can you pick it up and put it back?
No. Sorry. No, I got the back. I got the back, Mom. Something is gonna let you. Yum, yum, yum.
Ate, the car is not there.
Okay.
Wow, good job, Mary. Very good job, Ate.
B W X Y and Z.
Hindi na ka mag-make og mess, ha? Ate already cleaned up.
The alphabet. Look. My brother, this is a bag.
Yep. Bye,
No,
Ninyo.
no.